Take advantage of our Masters in Project Management program to set off on a life-changing adventure. This introduction lays out the steps for developing critical abilities that will lead project managers to success. Discover a route to leadership and distinction in the ever-changing field of project management. Guiding leaders like skilled navigators, our MPM program equips them with the ability to navigate the intricate landscape of project management. This ensures a profound understanding of crucial concepts and methodologies, paving the way for successful project leadership. Explore the Masters in Project Management program to learn about the fundamental skills required of project managers. Develop a broad range of skills that guarantee success in every project scenario, from risk management and strategic planning to team leadership and effective communication. Dive into the toolkit of successful project leaders. MPM provides you with a diverse set of tools to efficiently plan, execute, and monitor projects, ensuring success at every stage. With the help of our Masters in Project Management (MPM) program, connect theory and practice. With a focus on practical applications, we provide you with the abilities to apply information across a range of projects and settings with ease. Convert intellectual understanding into real-world achievement. MPM can help you realize your full leadership potential. Investigate the dynamics of effective leadership to equip yourself to inspire, motivate, and lead teams with a strategic vision that drives success for both people and projects. Become an expert in stakeholder engagement with MPM, where strong relationships are prioritized. This tactical approach guarantees client happiness as well as project success, building the groundwork for long-lasting collaborations. Navigate uncertainties effortlessly with MPM. Our program equips you with comprehensive strategies, guiding you through the identification, assessment, and mitigation of risks. Ensure your projects stay on course, resilient in even the most challenging environments. Adopt an innovative and flexible attitude with MPM. This will help you develop a creative thinking and the capacity to adjust to changing conditions. This ability is necessary to stay ahead in the ever-changing project world of today. Using an MPM, visualize success and develop your leadership skills to plan project victories.